In this video, we'll explore the differences between light microscopes and electron microscopes. When you picture a microscope, you're likely thinking of a light microscope. These are the commonly used ones in classrooms and what we typically consider as standard microscopes. One key advantage of light microscopes is that they are compact, simple to operate, and relatively inexpensive. However, since they depend on light, which has a wavelength of 0.2 micrometers, their resolution is limited to 0.2 micrometers as well. This means that details smaller than 0.2 micrometers apart will appear blurry. As a result, while light microscopes allow us to view individual cells, such as these onion cells, they are not powerful enough to reveal subcellular structures like mitochondria. On the other hand, electron microscopes are much larger, expensive, and complex to use, making them primarily used by scientists in laboratory settings. Their main advantage is that they use electrons instead of light. And electrons have a much smaller wavelength of 0.1 nanometers. As a result, their maximum resolution is also 0.1 nanometers. When it comes to resolution, smaller values indicate better clarity, allowing us to see finer details. Comparing the resolution of light microscopes, 0.2 micrometers, with electron microscopes, 0.1 nanometers. Electron microscopes have a resolution that is 2,000 times better. This means electron microscopes can provide much higher magnifications without blurring. They enable us to examine subcellular structures such as mitochondria in detail. For instance, this image of a pancreas cell was taken with an electron microscope. We can clearly observe the nucleus at the center and mitochondria surrounding it. To summarize, it's essential to remember the advantages and disadvantages of each type of microscope, as you'll often be asked to compare them.
If you haven't heard before, you can find all of our videos on our website geniushub.co.uk. Additionally, you'll also find MCQs, flashcards, past papers, and quizzes. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.